Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to change NetCDF data to raster layers in the ArcGIS environment. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel in order to be notified regarding the future videos from my channel. Okay, let's start. First of all, I'm going to download the NetCDF data from this website that I will put the link in the caption of this video. I'm gonna choose one of the pollutants from annual algorithm maps. For example, I choose this one, PM10, and I will download NetCDF emissions. You need to define an output folder for this data. Started to download. It's gonna take a while since the says around 800 MB. By the time it's been finished, we can go to the output folder, extract from zip file, okay. Now it's time to back to my ArcGIS environment. In order to change NetCDF data to raster layers, we have different options. For example, you can use Arc Toolbox or you can use search here. And from tools, remember to put on tools, you can look for make NetCDF raster layer. By clicking on that, you will go to this page. As an input NetCDF file, you will go to the folder that you downloaded. For example, here I'm going to choose pollutant for 2022. As a variable, it's going to be emissions. It's going to be your longitude, your latitude, and the output layer name, it's going to be this one. For further information regarding different parts of this, you just need to click on that and it's going to give you some information regarding different parts. You don't need to change anything, just click on OK. Okay, this is the final raster data that is created from NetCDF data. Sometimes we have this problem that the map is not in appropriate place. For fixing this problem, right-click Data Frame Properties. From coordinate system, this is important to have let's say general coordinate system. For example, if I put on this one and click, it's going to be like this and it's not appropriate. If you face this problem, you can go to Data Frame Properties, and from coordinate system you can choose this one. Otherwise, if it's not, let's say, listed in your layers, you can easily choose project coordinate system, Word, WGIS, this one, or you can use UTM if you are interested. Okay, very good. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your attention.